It's the second day of this. Shadow said, I'm getting up out of there. You thought I was gonna stay over there and let this thing clean me? I don't think so. It's cleaning your area, bro. You don't want that deal to be having some, you don't want to be smelling wild, do you? They ain't cleaning the scale. I ain't asked for that. Shadow and Victor having some issues. They don't see eye to eye right now. He got his spikes out. You better not break Victor. Victor making sure these floors are clean, bro. So we could just be chilling. Ain't got to worry about sweeping and mopping no more. Gives us more time to do other things. You know that, Shadow. So with these spikes, bro, don't be tripping off of Victor. Shadow like to flex his back action. He like to flex them back muscles. Man, he mad at
Shadow, don't be upset.
He mad at Courtney. Courtney wanted this for her birthday.
I think you actually like looking at it.
She mad at Courtney about this. He mad at Courtney about this.
Just don't break the shadow. Every time I take my head, it power.
Let's see.
Shadow, then come out of here. It's gotta do
Courtney even came in here, now he's showing out.
Oh. Well, Shadow, it's not going nowhere. Not unless Larry wants another one or something. It's not going anywhere.
We might have 2 down here and 1 upstairs.
You don't need 2 down.
Because it takes too long.
Larry, it's not. Why do you care?
It's 20 minutes. I'd have been done sweeping and mopping by now.
Larry, you don't sweep the mop. Say it in the next time. So I will do it.
That thing ain't studying you, man. Victor is not paying you no attention. It's doing what it's supposed to do.
Yeah, like, I like to see my hair everywhere. I don't see it, but
Victor cleaning up all your scent. You better not attack this thing, Shadow. If you break this thing, we're going to have to get the 700 one. This is ridiculous, Shadow.
I kind of can't blame you. It's a new situation. Now I'm a part of it, but you always bringing something stupid.
No, you're definitely, it's not a part of it. This is your fault. I'm talking about, I want this for my birthday. I want a Rumba. He all over in your territory, bro.
It's not touching your mat. Larry put your mat on the treadmill. Not touching the toy. Your smell still gonna be on that.
Shadow. You alright, boy. Right? You okay?
Sound like I'm stressed. And God don't want me stressed.
This is all Courtney's doing every time. It ain't never me for real, Courtney. I'm serious.
So what is that?
Well, that one time. Yeah, that one time.
Larry, he was here when you put that up, wasn't he?
Nah. Yeah, he was.
Come on, go upstairs. You went to the spot it's gonna come back to. Oh my.
Nah, it's done over there.
Larry, you should use that remote for that. That you sit on.
Uh-huh.
It's hanging.
Oh, thank you. Excuse me, y'all.
Well, Shadow, it's okay. It's okay.
Come here, Shadow.
It's just too loud.
Come here, boy.
All loud.
You like, ain't nowhere in the world I'm finna come to you right now.
Matter of fact,
What if I start petting it? What'll happen? I'm gonna start petting it. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Victor. Good boy. Let's see Shadow reaction.
oh, he's looking at me all crazy.
Good boy, Victor. Good boy. Look. Now you see, now it's finna mop. What are you gonna do now?
It says get her and go.
Yeah, it's finna dust. It's finna bring the stuff out, and then it's finna get the mop action, Shadow. You don't like it now. You ain't like it then. What are you gonna feel about now? Yeah, this is Shadow and me. We out this piece. Now the Roomba is mopping. Shadow, how?
Move with shadow.
Move with shadow. That's what Courtney said.
Go upstairs. Because it's gonna come over there. I don't want him, shadow.
You want to go in the living room? The Rumba is mopping. Victor is mopping. That's the name of him, Victor. You want to go upstairs? Shadow don't want to go upstairs, Courtney. Good boy, Victor. Good boy. You gonna sit right in the wet water. We like our floors clean, Shadow, and you making a mess, bro. Look how shiny that floor is, bro. That's how I like the floors, like that. Trying to tell Victor not come over there. Come over here. Victor about done mopping in here too now. Yeah, I like the floor shiny. Shadow, you didn't stop Victor from doing what he's doing. See, Shadow, it ain't bad, man. He's heading back, man. He is not studying you, Shadow. You making a mountain out of a molehill. Now he finna start in the kitchen. See? No big deal, man. Come here. Come here, Shadow. Come here. This is another Shadow and me, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. The sweeping and the mopping of the middle floor. And Shadow is doing stuff he got no business doing. Smelling it.